Hello everyone, I am Saitin and welcome back to my channel Saitech. In today's video I'll try to test the LDAC support test in the iQOO 7 device by using the Realme Buds Wireless 2. As you can see friends, so I did receive the Realme Buds Wireless 2 today evening, and a lot of users they did ask me this kind of question, that whether the iQOO 7 supports LDAC codec or not, because they're actually planning to buy the Realme Buds Wireless 2 as soon as possible. So this video is dedicated only to test whether this phone will be able to support the LDAC codec functionality or not. In the next video I'll try to do the gaming test separately, so make sure to stay tuned for those gaming latency test in case if you want to do. So definitely I can do maybe tomorrow morning. In case if you are interested, let me know in the comment section below. So first thing is that let's connect the Bluetooth earphones to the phone. Let me try to show you quickly. And here's the Bluetooth options, and here's a Bluetooth, and as you can see the Realme Buds Wireless 2 is connected successfully. And let me try to click on the settings, and you are getting the LDAC support option as well. That's fantastic. So iQOO 7 device at this moment it supports the LDAC codec, so you should not be worried at all in terms of the supporting. So it's really good to see. And one more thing, if you want to, you can use the Realme Link application as well to get that kind of benefit, to experience the noise cancellation and bass place boosters options and everything. There's a game mode options. So in case if you want to experience this kind of thing, you can definitely use the Realme Link application, which is really good to enjoy that kind of freedom in this Realme Buds Wireless 2. And thank you for watching this video, friends. This is a quick review only just to check whether the phone actually supports the LDAC support or not, LDAC codec in this iQOO 7 or not. That is the video. That's it. And next video I'll try to do about the gaming support test in this phone. So obviously the gaming is going on with the wireless Buds Q2. So this video is only very small because I thought of giving really very short and sweet, so which might be useful for a lot of other users. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and that's it in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you want me to test this kind of support in other phones, let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to do those videos as soon as possible for you all. So overall the sound quality is really good in this one. I'll try to come back with the review as soon as possible. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.